how to fix Android Google Maps not working. So if you're facing a problem with the Android Google Maps, then what you can do is check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you won't be able to load the Google Maps. So check the internet connection. Once you check the internet connection, if it's still not working, then the second step you need to do is you need to uninstall the application and then again install it from your App Store or your Play Store. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if you're not being able to do the second option, or if your problem has not been fixed, then the third option is you need to open up your settings, scroll down, go for the apps and tap on see all apps, go for the search which is on the upper right and then search for maps. And once you've searched for maps, you will have the storage and cache option. Tap on that and then you can tap on clear cache and then tap on clear storage and delete. So once you've deleted or cleared your storage and cache, now your problem will be fixed. And the last thing you need to do is restart your device. Just simply hold on to that power button and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.